Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's not only informative but also super relevant: the game-changing Pulsar drone detection and defense system. Whether you're a law enforcement officer, a security professional, or simply someone who values safety and security, this innovative technology is a must-know. Illegal drones are becoming more and more common, used for everything from stalking to surveillance to illegal activities. They're flying over events, schools, prisons, you name it. And let's be honest, we all know someone who proudly proclaims what they're using these drones for. When you realize there's a problem with these illegal drones being used for stalking and other illegal activities, that's when you absolutely need drone defense. Meet Pulsar, the ultimate solution for detecting and safely bringing down illegal drones. With its advanced features like real-time tracking capabilities and thermal imaging detection with a short and long-range variations and much more, Pulsar is your go-to defense against these unauthorized drones. Stay safe and stay informed with the Pulsar drone detection and defense system.